Hello children, welcome you all for the discussion of the answers to the online paper Maths Happily Grade 11 conducted by the Sabaragamuwa Provincial Department of Education. The paper consists of 25 questions. All the questions are related to the lesson number 1, 2 and 3 in the grade 11 textbook. We will see the first question. The answer when simplified 5 root 2 plus 3 root 2 plus 4 root 2. As you know, the third parts of all the above terms are equal. You have to add only the whole numbers. That is 5, 3 and 4. 5 plus 3 plus 4, the answer is 12. Therefore, the answer for the above expression is 12 root 2. From the given answers, the answer is answer 4. Now the second question. The answer when simplified 9 root 3 subtract 4 root 3. Same as the above one. Here the third parts are equal. So you have to subtract the whole number parts. That is 9 subtract 4. 9 subtract 4, the answer is 5. So the answer for the above expression is 5 root 3. From the given answers, the answer is answer 2. The third question, the answer when simplified square root of 12 multiplied by square root of 4. First, we have to multiply 12 by 4. That is square root of 48. As you know, 48 can be written as 16 multiplied by 3. We can separate it into two parts and write it as square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 3. You know the square root of 16 is 4. Therefore, we can write the answer as 4 root 3. From the given answers, the answer is answer 2, 4 root 3. Now the question number 4. The value when simplified square root of 50 multiplied by square root of 2. Same as the above one. You have to multiply square root of 50 by square root of 2. 50 multiplied by 2 is 100. So it is square root of 100. You all know the value of the square root of 100 is 10. Therefore, the answer is 10. From the given answers, it is answer 1. Now the question number 5. It's a division. The answer for square root of 12 divided by square root of 3. 12 can be written as 4 multiplied by 3. So, square root of 12 as square root of 4 multiplied by 3 divided by square root of 3. The numerator can be separated into 2 and written as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 3 divided by the denominator square root of 3. Now you have to simplify. Square root of 3 can be cancelled with square root of 3. The remaining is square root of 4, that is 2. The answer is 2. From the given answers, the answer number is answer 2. Now the question 6. The value of square root of 32 when square root of 2 is 1.414. 32 is equal to 16 multiplied by 2. So you can write square root of 32 as square root of 16 multiplied by 2. You can separate it into 2 and write as square root of 16 multiplied by square root of 2. You know, the square root of 16 is equal to 4. Then this can be written as 4 root 2. But the value of root 2 is given as 1.414. Therefore, you can substitute root 2 with 1.414 and you can write it as 4 multiplied by 1.414. The answer is 5.656. From the given answers, the answer is answer 4. Now the question number 7. The value of 4 to the power 3 over 2 multiplied by 9 to the power 3 over 2. You can write 4 as 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 over 2 and 9 as 3 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 over 2. Now you have to simplify the indices. Simplify 2 with 2 and the other expression also 2 is simplified with 2. The remaining is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 3 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 3 to the power 3 is 27. 8 multiplied by 27, the answer is 216. From the given answers, the answer is answer 4. Now the question number 8. The value of 64 over 27 to the power 2 over 3. 64 can be written as 4 to the power 3 and 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. Now you can write the above expression as 4 to the power 3 to the power 2 over 3 divided by 3 to the power 3 to the power 2 over 3. The expression 4 to the power 3 to the power 2 over 3 divided by 3 to the power 3 to the power 2 over 3. Now you want to simplify the indices. In the numerator, 3 is cancelled with 3 and also in the denominator, 3 is cancelled with 3. Now the remaining at the numerator is 4 to the power 2 and the remaining at the denominator is 3 to the power 2. 4 to the power 2 over 3 to the power 2. 4 to the power 2 is equal to 16 and 3 to the power 2 is equal to 9. So 16 over 9. It is an improper fraction. You can write it as a mixed number as 1 7 over 9. The answer is 1 7 over 9. From the given answers, it is answer 2. Now the ninth one, the value of 2Lg5 plus Lg12 minus Lg3. You can write 2Lg5 as Lg5 to the power 2. Now you can write the given expression as Lg5 to the power 2 plus Lg12 minus Lg3. There is an addition of logarithms and a subtraction of logarithms. You can write the addition of logarithms as a multiplication of numbers and the subtraction of logarithms as a division of numbers. So you can write the given expression as Lg 5 square is 25, 25 multiplied by 12 divided by 3. Now you have to simplify the numbers. 3 is simplified with 12, it is 4. The remaining is 25 multiplied by 4, Lg100. The value of Lg100 is 2. The answer is answer 1. Now the 10th question. It is an equation. The value of x in LGX subtract LG2 equals LG3 plus LG5. Again, you can apply the laws of logarithms. Addition of logarithms as a multiplication of numbers and subtraction of logarithms as a division of numbers. Left hand side, it is a subtraction of logarithms. So you can write it as a division of the numbers, LGX over 2. And the right hand side, it is an addition of logarithms. You can write it as a multiplication of numbers, 3 multiplied by 5. So you can write the above equation as LGX over 2 is equal to LG3 multiplied by 5. Now you can make the numbers at both sides equal. That is, x over 2 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. X over 2 is equal to 50. Then x is equal to 15 multiplied by 2, 30. From the given answers, the answer is 3. The question number 11. The answer when simplified p to the power negative 2 multiplied by q to the power 3 divided by pq. Here p to the power negative 2 can be written as a positive index by taking it to the denominator. So you can write the above expression as q to the power 3 divided by p to the power 2 multiplied by pq. Now you can simplify q with q to the power 3. The remaining at the numerator is q to the power 2. Now you can write the remaining as q to the power 2 divided by p to the power 2 multiplied by p. It is equal to q to the power 2 divided by p to the power 3. The answer from the given answers is answer 3. Now the 12th question. It is an equation. The value of x in the equation 2 to the power x is equal to 1 over 64. You know 64 is 2 to the power 6. So you can write the above equation as 2 to the power 6 is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 6. You can write 1 over 2 to the power 6 as 2 to the power negative 6. So now the bases are equal. You can make the indices equal. That is, x is equal to negative 6. The answer is answer 3. Question number 13 now. 49 equals to the 7 to the power 2 written in logarithm form is. Here you know the base 7 and the index is 2. The base 7 goes as the base of the logarithm 2 and index goes as the answer. So you can write logarithm of 49 to the base 7 is 2. From the given answers, the answer 3 is the answer. Question number 14. Logarithm of 243 to the base 3 is equal to 5. You have to write it in the index form. Here you can see the base is 3 and the index is 5 and the value there is 243. So it can be written as 3 to the power 5 is equal to 243. From the given answers, the first one is the answer. Question number 15. Logarithm of q to the base p is r. Again, you have to write it with index 4. Here again you can see the base there is P and the index is R and the value is equal to Q. So you can write P to the power R is equal to Q. From the given answers, the second one is the answer. Now the question number 16. 3 to the power negative 4 equal to 1 over 81. You have to write it in logarithm form. Here the base is 3, index is negative 4. It goes as the answer and the value is 1 over 81. So you can write logarithm of 1 over 81 to the base 3 is equal to negative 4. From the given answers, the answer is the first one. Question number 17. If the logarithm of x to the base 5 is 4, you want to find the value of x. It is easy for you to convert it into the indices form. The base is 5, index is 4 and the value is x. So you can write this as 5 to the power 4 is equal to x. Now we want to find the value of x. X is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So the value is 625. The answer from the given answers is answer 3. 18th question. Logarithm of 64 to the base 2 is a. You have to find the value of a in the equation. You can convert the above equation to the index form. The base is 2, index is a and the value is 64. 2 to the power a is equal to 64. But you know, 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6. Now, with the two equations above, you can write 2 to the power a is equal to 2 to the power 6. As the bases are equal, the indices should be equal. Therefore, a is equal to 6. From the given answers, the answer is answer 3. Question number 19. The value of LG8 if LG2 is equal to 0.3010. You know, 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So you can write LG8 is equal to LG2 to the power 3. Now you can apply the laws of logarithms and write LG 2 to the power 3 as 3 LG2. That is 3 multiplied by LG2. So 3 multiplied by LG2 is 0.3010. When it is multiplied, the answer is 0.9030. The answer is answer 1. Now the question number 20. The value of LG50 using LG2 equals 0.3010. You have to find LG50 but given LG2. So what is the relationship between 50 and 2? You can write 50 equals 100 divided by 2. So taken the logarithm of both sides, LG50 equals LG100 divided by 2. It's a division. You can write it as a subtraction of logarithms. So you can write this as LG100 subtract LG2. You know 10 to the power 2 is equal to 100. Therefore, LG100 is equal to 2. So substitute LG100 with 2. Then 2 minus LG2 is 0.3010. 2 subtract 0.3010. The answer is 1.6990. From the given answers, the answer is answer 2. Question number 21. If LG64 equal to 1.8602, you want to find the value of LG 0.064. You can write 64 equals 6.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 1. So, when writing the logarithm to the base 10, 1 goes as the characteristic of the logarithm. That is, LG64 equal to 1.8602. Now we can write 0.064 as 6.4 multiplied by 10 to the power negative 2. Same as the above logarithm, when we are writing the logarithm of 0.064 to the base 10, the characteristic should be negative 2. And we read it as bar 2. So, logarithm of 0.064 to the base 10 is bar 2.8602. From the given answers, the answer is answer 3. Now the question number 22. If 5.321 equals to 10 to the power 0.7260, then the value of LG 53.21. Here, you know 5.321 can be written as 5.321 multiplied by 10 to the power 0 in scientific notation. And also 5.321 can be written as 10 to the power 0.7260 as a power of 10. It is given to you. Now we will see 53.21. You know 53.21 can be written as 5.321 multiplied by 10 to the power 1. And according to the above, it can be written as 10 to the power 1.7260 as a power of 10. You know, the logarithm of the number to the base 10 means the index when it is written as a power of 10. So you can write LG 53.21 is equal to 1.7260. From the given 4 answers, answer 3 is the correct one, 1.7260. Now the question number 23. If LG 6.934 equals 0.8409, which number gives 2.8409 as the logarithm to base 10? In other words, you have to find the antilogarithm of 2.8409. Now, we'll see that 6.934 can be written as 6.934 multiplied by 10 to the power 0. So we can write LG 6.934 equals to 0.8409. It is given to you. And you can see the index of the base 10 is 0. It goes as the characteristic of the logarithm. It is 0.8409. Now we will see the given logarithm 2.8409. We want to find the number that takes the logarithm 2.8409. We'll take that number as x. So LGX is equal to 2.8409. Now the characteristic 2 there. It goes to the index to the base 10 in the number. So you can write the number as 6.934 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. The number does not change because the mantissa of the both logarithms is 8409. Therefore, the number is 6.934. Only the power of 10 is changed. So, the value of x is 6.934 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 2, the value is 100. So, the answer 6.934 multiplied by 100, 693.4. From the given answers, the answer is answer 3. Now the question number 24. The value of the expression LG50 plus LG6 minus LG3 when simplified. You know you have to simplify this without the log tables. LG50 plus LG6 subtract LG3. There is an addition and also a subtraction. You know you can write a addition as a multiplication of numbers and subtraction as a division of numbers. So you can write this expression as LG 50 multiplied by 6 divided by 3. Now you have to simplify. There you can see that 3 and 6 can be simplified. 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, it is 2. 50 multiplied by 2, 100. The remaining is LG 100. Now you know 10 to the power 2 is equal to 100. Then the value of LG 100 is 2. The answer is answer 3. Now the last question, question number 25. The value of the expression half log 3 9 subtract log 3 12 plus 2 log 3 6 when simplified is. All these terms are given to the base 3. By applying the laws of logarithms again, you can write half log 3 9 as log 3 9 half power and 2 log 3 6 as log 3 6 second power, like that. Log 3 9 half power subtract log 3 12 plus log 3 6 second power. And you know 9 half power means it is square root of 9, it is 3. So you can write this expression again as logarithm to 3 to the base 3 plus logarithm of 12 to the base 3 plus logarithm of 6 square to the base 3. Here you can write the subtractions as a division and addition as a multiplication by applying again the laws. Now you can write this as log 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 divide by 12. When you simplify this, 3 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 divide by 12, you get log 3 9. The value of 9 to the base 3 is 2. So you can get the answer 2. Now we have finished discussing all the questions in the paper Unit Revision 1. See you soon with Unit Revision 2. Thank you for your attention.